Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can make a collage of pictures using your gallery app or the album apps on your mobile. Not only with the album apps, I'll also tell you how you can do a collage of pictures using Google Photos. First, we'll see with the albums or the gallery. On my mobile, this is Vivo IQ Z7 Pro. So the gallery option or the gallery app name is albums for me. On your mobile it will be something like gallery. Open the gallery. Yeah, here in the gallery you need to select the pictures what all you want to make collage. Okay, in this tutorial I selected totally 6 photos or the pictures, and you need to click on these 3 dots, and for few mobiles the option will be at the bottom, the 3 dots. Wherever it is, you need to click on the 3 dots and you need to click on this collage option. So see here, this is the single frame, and on the single frame there is option like these 6 photos will be included in a single frame. So now if it is okay, you need to click on this top option, which is now saved as a collage. So this is how you can create. See here, this is what today I have created. If you want to delete this, you can delete this also. So on photos, on Google Photos, I'll tell you how you can do that. First of all, open photos.google. Okay, Google Photos app, and here also select the pictures what you want. For example, 4 pictures I have selected. Move to this option. Yeah, no. Click on the add to, and you will find the collage here. You need to tap on that. See here now. I can adjust and zoom in. Yeah, here see, look at what is the added advantage of using collage option by creating it in Google Photos is we can maximize one picture. See here, for example, when you need to select that, and you can pinch your 2 fingers to maximize and minimize and rotate the picture. See here, so you can make your collage a little bit interesting with this option. When you are done, you need to click on done. That's it, and you can have a lot more options to set the frame, whatever the frame orientation. Yeah, on doing it on Google Photos, it will be a bit more attractive. So if you want to do it on the gallery app, you can go through that, or if you want this Google Photos collage, you can use this. And let me know in the comments which one do you like, the one with the normal gallery app on your mobile, or one with the Google Photos. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. You can click on the save once you are finished.